Hi darlings, it's wonderful to see you all again, and thanks for joining me for today's video. You're not going to believe what has happened. Oh my god, I still can't believe it. When I went to make my other video the other day about south camping, when I parked near the train station, oh my god, I ended up getting a flat tire because I did not realise that I parked on some broken glass. Oh my god, I can't believe I did that. But not to worry, guess who came to my rescue and his son? Oh my god, I can't believe it. I'm so happy with their service. I give them 100% and I absolutely recommend Bridgestone. They're here in Preston, right on High Street. Okay, so guys, it's a little bit windy here today. I forgot to bring my muffler. I really hope you can hear me. I can hear myself anyway. So here I am at Bridgestone in High Street. As you can see. Oh my god, look at all the cars. They're doing heaps of business here. I can see why they are so popular. If you need your tyre fixed, come here. I absolutely recommend Bridgestone to get your tyres fixed. They're here in High Street. Thank you, High Street in Preston. Oh my god, they have done a really great job on fixing my tyre. When they first showed me the tyre, oh my god, it had a hole about that big, and I am not exaggerating. And look at it now, another tyre. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Look at all the tyres. Oh my god. They have tyres for every single vehicle. It doesn't matter whether you're driving a minivan or whether you're driving an SUV or a truck or whatever. They have brand new tyres as well as second-hand tyres for every vehicle. Oh my god, so if all your problems like that, and not only that, oh my god, I'm really happy with them. They're professional services. Oh my god, I absolutely recommend Bridgestone. Woohoo! Okay, so I've got their card here. Woohoo! Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so glad I came here this morning. Well, if I hadn't, and if I didn't get that tire changed, it could have caused an accident. And that's the last thing you want, isn't it? Okay, so their address is located at 210 Plenty Road, Preston. Sorry, I thought this was High Street, but it's not. It's Plenty Road, Preston. And you can telephone them on 9480 0044. Okay. So if you're looking, like I said, if you're looking for, oh my god, I'm going to put you on pause for a minute. Okay, that's better. I had to put my sunnies on the sun. Oh my god, it's so bright. So like I said, if you're looking to get your tyre repaired or you want to get a new tyre, come here to Bridgestone at Plenty Road, Preston. I absolutely recommend Bridgestone on Plenty Road, Preston. Like I said, I'm so happy with their service. They are 100% professional as well as friendly. And oh my god, I absolutely recommend their services. Okay, so that's my video for today. So remember, if you're looking for a new tyre or you need your tyre fixed, come here. Okay, now just before I go, I just want to say please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so to support me. And don't forget to give my videos a thumbs up. Bye bye darlings, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care, safe driving, bye bye darling.